Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bob and today I want to go over research that I found. Someone studied self-made millionaires for about 5 years. He came up with a list of 17 habits. And if you give me just 5 minutes, I'll go through the entire list, all 17 points, and I'll say whether I agree, if people that I know who are self-made millionaires actually also have these habits, and with some I'll probably disagree. So give me 5 minutes, we'll have a timer here as well, and we'll go through the list. All right, the first one is they read consistently. I don't need to spend a lot of time here. You know, I read a lot. Most successful people, actually all successful people I know, read a lot. I'll link a video in the description to the 4 best books that I think everyone should be reading, but 100% I fully agree. Number 2, they exercise. It's pretty funny. If I look at the students that I've had in the past, the ones that become super successful, all of them did some form of exercise or sports. And I think because sometimes sports sucks, and sometimes you don't feel like going, but you still go, and it's the mindset part. And also it's a healthy body, healthy mind. Same in business. Sometimes it isn't fun, but you need to keep pushing. So again, 100% agree. Number 3, they hang out with other successful people. Yes, we often say that you are the average of the 5 people closest around you. So if those are successful people, that will help you become more successful. And I think it is 100% true. Being around successful people really push you and bring you to new levels. So again, still 100% agree. Number 4, they volunteer. And I'd say yes, either volunteer or give a lot to charity. First of all, maybe you believe in karma, but it just makes you feel really good. And it's all about mindset, about feeling good as well, doing business. And second of all, it's a place to meet new and cool people who really care and have a passion for something, which is super important, again, with surrounding yourself with the right people. Number 5, they practice dream setting. And this is something all the successful people I know do. It's visualizing where you want to be going, and sitting down and writing this down is super, super important. And call it law of attraction or other things, but you will see that it will make a very big difference in actually achieving your goals and getting towards that dream. Number 6 is they pursue their own goals. If you just do what everyone else does, you will get the same results as everyone else. So if you really want to stand out, know why you're doing this. Why are you in business? Why are you working hard? Why are you building this thing? Because that at the end of the day is super important. And you do it for what you value, and not for what other people value. That is the mindset shift that you should make if you haven't done so already. So I still agree. Number 7, no brainer. They sleep at least 7 hours a day. If you're not sleeping at least 7 hours a day, you're actually killing yourself. There's so many bad things. And any entrepreneur who says like, oh, you know, I'll hustle when they're sleeping and I'll sleep 2-3 hours a night. Bullshit. No long-term success. I'll link a video where I actually explain what this does to your brain and your body. Number 8, they get up early. No, I do not agree with this one. Yes, if you are a morning person, getting up really early will get you a great start of the day. You will have super productive hours without anyone actually bothering you. But if you're a night owl, then, and if you've seen this video, you already know this, then don't torture yourself and get up early. Get up later. I know super successful people who get up at 10 or 11 a.m. So no, sorry, this one I really do not agree with. Number 9, they have multiple sources of income. And yes, this is true. But at the same time, there's also a very big risk in having multiple income streams. And I'll actually make a separate video, which is the next video I'm releasing on this topic. So yes, real estate, dividends, those things, 100%. Other income streams, maybe not. Number 10 is they find and check in with mentors. And I think this is super important. And a mentor can be a friend, can be a lot of things. It doesn't have to be a financial transaction. But I also have a business coach because I set my goals and I say, this is what I need to focus on. And then the business coach can actually see if my actions actually correlate with the goals. And they can help keep you in check, and they can help you in so many ways. And you might have a tunnel vision and not see other opportunities or things. And someone who has more of a bird's eye view will really help you out. Number 11, they help others succeed. Yes, two main reasons. First of all, again, it makes you feel good, karma, all of those things. It's really enjoyable. Second of all, we wanted to surround ourselves with successful people. What better to surround yourself with super successful people that you have helped. They are grateful to you. I've experienced this in the past. You can learn so much from them. So that is 100% helping people. There's so many reasons why everyone should be doing this. Number 12 is they are positive. And yes, business, as I said in one of the earlier points, is not always fun. There's days that it's no fun, no matter who you are and how successful you are. And you always have to stay positive. You always have to know why you're doing this and seeing, looking for solutions rather than feeling, oh, why is this happening, or thinking of problems. So being positive and thinking in solutions is major, major key. Number 13, they don't follow the herd. So just like with, follow your own dreams or your own goals, if you just follow everyone, you will never find the one thing that you're super, super good at. So 100% not following the herd. Even with coaches, if I tell you to do something, think whether that works for you or not and make your own truth. Number 14, practice good etiquettes. I don't even know how to say this in English. And yes, successful people know you shouldn't cancel appointments, you should be in time, you should wish people happy birthday. It makes people want to be working with you and makes you likable, 100%. I know my 5 minutes are up right now. Please give me 1 more minute. I promise I'll be done in 1 more minute. Number 15, they dedicate 15 to 30 minutes a day to just thinking. Yes, sit down every evening, just think about possibilities, solutions to problems and those things. Major difference. Number 16, they seek feedback. That is very important. Even if a client says no to a proposal I send, I always ask, hey, this does not change your mind, but what could I change in the future? Do you have some feedback for me? And I will learn, I will grow, and I will become better at this one income producing skill. And the last one, as we are currently running out of time, is they never give up. And that is sort of a combination of a lot of things that we spoke about. Again, sometimes it's no fun, but find solutions. Know why you are doing it. If you keep knowing why you are doing this, then trust me, you will keep pushing yourself. You will find ways to make it work. And if you quit, and if you're only feeling sorry for yourself and you're not pushing, something will happen either to you, to people around you, something will happen in the world like what happened last year, and you will be thrown off. So I agree with most of the things. 6.5 minutes, a bit longer than expected, but I hope it was of a lot of value to you. And if you watched all the way to the end, you might as well subscribe. Leave a like, comment, the bell, all those things. It really helps me out, and in turn, I can help more people. One of the points here, always help others, and that truly is the main reason that I am providing as much value as I can. So please do all those things, and I will see you in the next video.